Manitoba is under a state of emergency as fires spread.
I caught it with a net rig, man.
And I did see it.
Oh, diba?
Siya. Oh, yun! Oh, yun! Ay! Yeah! Okay, first. Oh, ito ah. Yun, laki niya. Third fish of the day. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're out. I'm with AJ, Aidan. So it's just four of us. Aidan's son is over there. We are here at Otter Falls. Hopefully we can catch some smallies today. And obviously, the ever available pike. So we are just hoping for those kinds of fish. And since it's a bit cold today, it's like what, 11? Hopefully we can run into some walleyes today. Yeah, we have our boats out. The John boat with new paint job and the kayak. And we're just hoping to you know, have a good time, have fun as always. So stick around, join us in this adventure. And to all of you returning viewers, I thank you very much for the support. My new subscribers, thank you very much. And if you're new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button. Let's go, let's go. We are all set. See you later. We thought that this place is you know, greatly affected by the wildfire. But we were surprised that we were able to get through all the way to the campground near this place, and we were able to launch the John boat. And at the same time, there are lots of people who were there. And by the way, I was able to meet Jomar, aka Fish Bro. Shout outs to my friend. It's nice to see you out. Paano ba natin bubuksan ito? Naka-on na ito, diba? Okay. So today, I'll be using something different. Okay. I'll be using this one. This is the Jackall Pompadour. Hey. Testing. Booyah. So this is the first time I'm using this bait. Hopefully I don't lose this one. It's yeah, there, Pompadour by Jackall. I bought this from Amazon. Just don't ask how much is it. Aray ko, aray ko! It stung me. I don't know.
Like a white bee.
Yeah. So okay. Yeah. This is like the... Okay. First cast of the Pompadour. Dan, wala. Ayun, tignan mo. Yeah. This is a Pompadour. Okay, so this is the first time I'm using this bait, and of course this is like inspired from other anglers that I watched. So, oh, by the way, this is my custom XP with the 30-pound braid. I also put in like 30 pounds of leader on it, monofilament, so that it floats. Okay, wala sila rito. Let's move. Tinan mo ah. Let's see if they will like my presentation. Nobody wants it here? Woo! Wala pa nakaka-first fish siya. Oh, yun! Oh, yun! Ay! Hanap! Holy! Pucha! Nakita mo yun? Yeah, it's on camera. Ayun! Niluwa. Oh, ayun, ayun. Oh, yeah, it's there. Ayun, oh. Ah, pike. Ayan oh, pike. Oh, yun, oh, dala-dala ni tanga. I think, oh, pike, ayan oh. Teka, penga ako net. Yel, sagwanan mo nga ako, Yel. Ayun siya, oh. Kita ako siya, eh. Ayun siya, oh. Hindi siya makalayo, eh. Sige, Yel, sagwanan mo ako, Yel. Oh. He can't go anywhere because of my lure. Ayun, oh. Oh, tanga, hindi ka makakaalis dyan. Oh, he's there. He can't get away or go wherever because he is trapped. Oh, di ba? Oh, isinabit siya, eh. Ayan, oh. Oh, he can't go anywhere. Oh, he swiped at it. Kasi, buhaya ka. Or you're just a small fingerling, but you are so ambitious. Okay? Oh, technically, first fish, boys! Woo! Woo! First fish, boys. Oh, you want some? Woo! Boom. Bye-bye.
Yes. Yes, Daddy.
Yan naman, ah. Ayan na. Ayun, oh. See that? That's the important thing, Maven. We are having fun. That's it. Basta kasi pag mga weeds, puro pike, eh. Pag mga batuhan naman, smallmouth. Well, hopefully, we run into some smallmouths today. Hopefully. Yeah! Okay, first. Oh, ito, ah. Legit to, legit. Second fish, boys. Second fish, boys. Pucha ka, ginulat mo ako. Damonyo ka. Yeah, I know. Oh, di ba?
But now I look pregnant.
So, second fish. Second pike. Yeah, oo. Huwag ka makulit, okay? Because you grab the lure so hard. Pasok sa bibig, eh. Sandali. Ano ka, eh? Buhaya ka kasi. Yeah. Oh.
Managed to, like,
Oh,
let
never.
him do. Dito na lang.
Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
Nashel? Yan, ganyan. Oh, sa kanya pa, big fish. Nice. Oh, oy. Bastos ka. Oh, ano, yeah, net? Hindi na. Nashel. Oh, kita mo? Nauna ka pa. Walang niya. Nice. Guling niyo Ariel, pucha, isang hagis, eh, no? Laki.
360.
Ayun lang, oh. Bango talaga. Solid talaga. Ang pogi ng amoy. Okay na? Oh, let's show it, Yel. Ayun, oh, yan. Good job, nice. Oh. So, all of us here in the boat got 1 or 2 something. So, we're good. Oh, so nobody's skunked, so we're good. Oo nga. Yeah. Teka lang. Oh, Yel, ano? Game? Baba tayo ng ano dito, Yel. Teka. Baba tayo ng ano dito, anchor. Oo. But this is a nice spot. Yeah. Boop. Oo nga. Ano eh, bottleneck eh. Gamit na tayo ng ganito.
Oh my gosh, it's a crab.
May pike na tayo. Ayaw sa jerkbait ko, ah.
I want it.
Op.
I got it.
Ay, pucha. What is this? Oh, yun nga, man. I think so. What is this?
Easy.
First fish, boys. First, well, it's my second smallmouth of the year. Let's go. Yung ano lang, swim jig lang. Okay. Oh, first smallmouth of the day.
Looks cute.
Yeah.
It looks cute.
First, ay, wala pala akong ano. Yeah. First smallmouth, guys, of the trip. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. Ganun, oh. Ay, yun lang. Sabit. Ay, yun lang. Batuhan na pala yun. Batuhan na pala yun. Sorry. Lapit tayo, Yel. Sayang yun. Mahal din yun, eh. Yan. Ah! Gago. Tinakot ako, hayop. Okay. Now, what are we gonna use? Tayo. Hey. Nedrig, guys. Try natin. May nakahuli dyan na others na Nedrig, eh. Dinedrig din ako. But I'm just using like a 1/8 ounce jig head. Oh! Gago ka! Nahuli naman kami, ah. Dikto, ah. The next thing we do is we pinch the barb. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Ngayon, I have a Gugan rattling Ned here. Let's see if this will work. Nainggit ako doon sa mga others dyan. INB, that guy who caught something that I was planning to use all along. Yeah, for us to get smallmouth, diyan lang tayo. Dahil ayaw, pagpapahingahin muna kita kasi kakagasa mo lang, di ba? Di ba? I told you last time. So the dirty walleye?
Oy.
Tasi. Uy, laki.
Uy, mayroon pa. Ay, pike.
Pike.
Wow. Nice, I caught that in the video. Hey, the same guy. I'm just kidding.
Same guy? What?
Person, that kanina.
Oh, yan. Self-release.
Release.
Self-release. Akala ko mawawala na yung pompador ko, buset. Ano, lipat tayo? Yun, I got one. Ahahaha! Ahahaha! Pike na naman! Pike na naman! Uy, laki! Uy, laki!
Same one that I caught?
I don't know. Yel. Net. Hayaan mo nang bumaho yan net natin. Oh, pike. Got a pike, guys. Yun, laki niya. Third fish of the day. Alin? Grabe talaga magsikagat to mga to, eh. Parang kala mo wala nang bukas, eh. Di ba? Oh. Big fish. Bye-bye. Ang bango ko na! We are so mabango. This is actually my first time on this area right here. So, good. Yeah, everyone is catching fish. So, hi. Oops. That one.
Yeah.
That is a big one. Damn it. Ayun ito.
I wanna try.
I need the net. I need the net. Wait. This is the big one.
Catch it maybe, no?
Not
pike,
in my
patingin.
watch.
Oh, yung laki.
You think so?
Malaking pike. Malaking pike. Yeah. I'll let you tire out for a bit. It's a big pike. Oh, maybe. Go. Oy!
Ay, yo!
So far, we are on lunch break. Bad muna ako ng jacket. Just took off my jacket. And it's so hot. I don't know how many we caught, how many bites we had, and you know how many fish we landed. So far, it's so good. The only downside is it's really hot. Shout out to Jomar. Yeah, I am parked beside his truck. Fish, bro.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Mikey Boy's video.
Oh, yeah, that's what he said. Yun, huli ka balbon. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, boy. I caught it with the Ned rig, man.
And I did see it.
Oh, diba?
I'm a genius.
You are. Oh,
Good.
gago ka.
Am I good?
Yeah, I caught it with the Ned rig.
I have
Oh, lucky, oh. But he's spawning right now. This is spawning. Oh, hold. Oh. So, sorry, I just don't have any, no video. No, just release him here. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See ya. Ah! Yes! You saw that, right? Okay na, uwi natin to! Yeah, it's caught on tape, boys! Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna give it to a sick lady. So, yun, para meron kaming regalo sa kanya. Gift to a sick lady. As of the moment, the weather is, you know, really turning out bad right now. Yeah, there's wind, but it's really humid. And I think the temperature right now is at, yikes, it's 28. So I don't think it's worth it going back there. So we're going to cut this video short. Though, yeah, we have a few fish. So it's a good day anyway. So thank you very much for tuning in with us. And I hope to see you on the next video. So again, thank you very much if you are still watching up until this point. So again, if you are new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button. It will definitely help my channel grow. So thank you very much. You all take care. See you all on the next video.